Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to create a very simple and easy makeup look for everybody. As you can see that on my face, I'm going to create this look today. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. And before starting, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. And yeah, let's begin with the video.
So I have picked up the Swiss Beauty Illuminating Primer. This primer is a bit illuminating, so when you apply this on your skin, this will give a natural glow on your skin, which I absolutely love. So I'm applying this primer all over my face. Just like the way you use a primer, you can use this. The only difference is that this one is illuminating and it is not very much proficient for covering up your pores. So now after the primer, I have taken my all-time favorite Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I am a medium skin tone person, so people of my skin tone can easily use that. It's very nice. So I'm applying the foundation all over my face in small dots, and now with the help of a blender. Blenders you can get anywhere in the market for rupees 40 to 50 for local blenders, and I'm using a blender of the same kind, and I'm just blending out the entire foundation on my skin. A blender always gives you a very smooth and good finish, which a brush doesn't, so I like using a blender. I'm blending the entire thing very well so that it does not mismatch my skin tone or it doesn't look very odd. So after the foundation comes a concealer, and for the concealer I'm using the Swiss Beauty 02 Sable concealer. That is a liquid concealer. So I have applied it under my eyes. It gives a very nice finish, and it is easy to apply eyeshadow when you have applied a concealer. So with the same blender, I'm blending the concealer as well. So now I have done the eyebrow with an eyebrow pencil of Camera, so you can do that. After that, I've taken this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. This is a very nice palette. This is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, anywhere you go. Hawk Makeup, I purchased this from Hawk Makeup. You can go for Amazon or any other. So I took a brownish kind of a shade, and I am applying that shade on my crease. It is very important to apply a nude or a neutral color on your crease. That makes your eye look even more good. I keep my videos as simple as possible for beginners because I really like teaching beginners. So this is for everybody actually, but still it's specially for beginners. So I have applied the brown shade on my crease perfectly. This is the way you should be applying this. I have applied it both on both of my eyes. So I took the gold shade from this palette. It is extremely pigmented. So yes, I'm applying it with the help of my finger. You can use a brush always, but I prefer using my fingers because that provides much more pigmentation. So yes, the same I'll be applying for both the eyes. So I applied it on both of my eyes. Now I have applied Lakme Instant Eyeliner, and after that I'm using the Lakme Kajal in my lower waterline. You can do the same or you can just leave it as it is. I really like applying the kajal in my lower waterline. That makes my eyes even more beautiful. So that is it. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to use a blush. This is the Sugar Peach Pink blush. I really love using a blush that gives a very natural glow on the face and a very natural look. Yeah, that is it. After you apply the blush, you can go for a highlighter. I'm going for the sugar highlighter. I really love this one because this is really pigmented and the highlighter is really blinding. Blinding highlighters are always my favorite. So yeah, you can see the glow on my face, immediate glow, instant. Oh my god, this is so pigmented and so beautiful. I really love using this. You can use any highlighter of your choice. So you have to apply the highlighter only on the portions you want to highlight. But highlighter is a very important part of our makeup. This is how it looks like. After that, I am moving on to the lipstick. For the lipstick, I have Sugar Click Me Up Velvet Lipstick. This is really a very nice lipstick. You can try out this range. This is superbly pigmented yet very matte and really very nice. So this is how my look has turned out to be. I hope you like this look.
So I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. If you did so, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And till then, bye bye.